Hello parents! Thank you for purchasing the Zuzat service. My name is Shalea and today I will be showing you how to best use the Zuzat service for the maximum amount of fun with you and your child. So first I would like to start with our flashcards. Our flashcards are handmade by us and the children have seen them in the kindergarten, so they might already know some of the words. And so today I will show you some games that you can play with them. The easiest game I would say is What's Missing. So you lay out 3 cards and when the child closes their eyes, you'll remove a card. And then they'll probably get that pretty well, so then you can move on to 4 cards, 5 cards, 6 cards, all the way till 10, and then always remove 1 or 2. It's also fun if you let your child remove 1, and then you get it wrong, so then maybe they'll correct you. You say, I think summer is gone, and they'll be like, no, summer is there, or try again, or they can use different phrases with you. Another fun game is if you print out 2 versions of the cards, you could play memory, a really big memory game. The kids are also very familiar with that. And when you're going through the cards with the kids, it helps if you offer them 2 options for each card. So for example, I might say to my student, is this daytime or nighttime? And then they would tell you daytime or night. It can also help if you ask your child per set what are their favorite cards or which ones they like the most, and then you can hang them up in their room and change it throughout the theme to keep the vocabulary fresh in their mind. In every Zuzat service theme, there is a video with us reading the flashcards aloud, and so you can also put the video on for your child. Another thing that we offer in our Zuzat service are crafts, and a lot of these crafts we make ourselves. For this time theme, I have here a clock, which they can cut out and then color. And we usually have YouTube videos too for the bit harder crafts such as mobiles, which you can also put on for your child. You can expect 2 to 3 books per theme via YouTube. So curl up on the couch next to each other and listen to a story. You can also find on YouTube links to our songs. So we sing 1 or 2 songs per theme, and we also have the lyrics so you and your child can sing along. You will also get a song text for them to color or hang up in their room or to add to their songbook. So, if any of that interests you, or you have any more questions, please email or call us, and I hope you have fun with your Zuzat service. Bye!